That's what I am stressing on this point. Where is book? Where is book? Where is book? So kindly help me. This is my request.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much for this opportunity to share something here. In the year 1999, when I joined the temple, I remember one very important thing which kept me going even today for book distribution so many years. When I joined, I was a new brahmachari and I was told to go every day for book distribution. And we had our backup services and brahmachari class. The whole day was packed up. So after I came one day from book distribution, I was near my locker where I kept my things. And the temple president of our Radha Gopinath is, one of the temple presidents is Shamanand Prabhu. So he asked me, so Baldev, how are you? So I told him, I just came from Sankirtan. So he asked me, so how many hours you put in Sankirtan? So I was thinking, more I tell him, it will be happy. I spend a lot of hours on Sankirtan. So I said, Prabhu, 5 hours I was on the Sankirtan. I said, and how many hours you are supposed to be in Sankirtan? He said, I was told to go for 2.5 hours. I said, you spent 5 hours. Very nice. And then he put his hand on my shoulder and said, you spend more time on Sankirtan and you have so many services also. What will happen in due course of time, you will get tired and bored. And maybe it will happen that you will forget Sankirtan. So Baldev, we want devotees who will continue in Sankirtan throughout their life. Not someone who just burns his body out and then forgets he is not has a back problem. After 5 years, he thinks, as soon as he hear book distribution, there's a terror in his heart, I will never go for book distribution, it has caused pain for me. So I tried to balance. And for me, Vaisheshik Prabhu is always an ideal example because I see he's a perfect example. He has such a wonderful health after 40 years of book distribution. Strong sadhana, and he is inspiring all our devotees all over the world in book distribution. So it's a balanced book distributor, so I call it like that. And many times I also see that when I go for book distribution for a long time, my sadhana is affected. So one particular marathon, after I finished 30 days of marathon, I went to the doctor, one devotee doctor, and told him, Prabhuji, for 30 days I was out and so much of dust has gone in my body, I want to clean the body. And then he was prescribing some medicines. And then suddenly some thought realized, it dawned upon me. I was thinking that, I'm thinking of cleaning a body, but for 30 days my chanting has gone for a toss, standing on the stalls and shouting Hare Krishna, and also doing book distribution. I never thought of cleaning my consciousness also and doing something for my chanting. So I told this doctor, devotee doctor, that I am also thinking of that I should work on my chanting. 30 days I did not chant properly because I was just doing on Sankirtan. He said, at least a thought has come in you. So many book distributors do not even think of that thought. They think that, okay, I am just doing book distribution, everything is okay. So I was surprised that Prabhuji put the first point, strong sadhana. I have never heard anyone in book distribution seminar put that strong sadhana as the first point. Because he has put the first point as strong sadhana, he is going on for last 40 years. That's why I call him as a balanced book distributor and is inspiring devotees all over the world. So I was doing book distribution, and one particular day I was called up by some senior devotees and told me that everyone is doing book distribution, but no one is organizing book distribution. So the problem is that because there is no organizing of book distribution, devotees are not inspired. For last 6 years, I'll tell you that my individual book distribution has gone down. I am not able to go out and distribute books because most of the times I am organizing book distribution. But because of that, the overall score of the temple has increased, and because of it, devotees are feeling inspired. So I felt that the fourth point which Prabhuji said, that the 4 laws of book distribution, the 4th law is to organize the book distribution. Unless there is a good organization of book distribution, the devotees will not feel inspired. So what we do in Radha Gopinath temple is, my service is just to go and inspire devotees, what they are doing. So we have one devotee couple who have good contacts in the material world. So they just go and give books to the big shots like film stars, cricket stars. They get some contacts, and so we just go and inspire them. And last two marathons, December, they just went and issued Bhagavad Gita to cricket stars, movie stars, TV stars, and politicians, and they would just take photographs of that person, and then we would put on a Facebook. So what would happen that devotees would use that photograph and tell, see, this particular Rahul Dravid has got one book. He has purchased Bhagavad Gita. He is the best cricketer. Why don't you buy a book? So that's one aspect. Encourage a person who is doing whatever he is good in that. And I'll tell you about book marathon. What we do in Radha Gopinath temple is, before the book marathon begins, we make it a point that one particular Sunday is dedicated for like a pep talk. So that particular Bhagavatam, generally Radhanath Swami is always there in Chopati during November. So one particular Bhagavatam, Radhanath Swami speaks on book distribution. So that becomes the inauguration of the book distribution. And then Sunday feast, myself and Shyamanand Prabhu, we both sit down and we make a powerful presentation, and we also have dramas, skits, and the past year devotees who had done book distribution, their recollections like that. So this is how we begin our book distribution. And then after that, what I do is, I was told by temple that you just go and meet all the devotees who are doing book distributions and take their stories, what different experience they have got. So many devotees, they cannot speak their experience. They are very shy. So you go to them and check out what experiences they have got. And then you speak out their experience, taking their names during Sunday classes. So every Sunday during book marathon, what happens, after Bhagavatam class gets over, 15 minutes, I take up the mic, and what happened the last week in marathon. And then I speak all the devotees' names. This is a wonderful story which came. And devotees are thrilled hearing the stories. And those who are not begun book distribution, they also feel, I should also do book distribution. So every week we have update. Then I also write email updates I give, what happened the last week, and what is the score so far, and what is the target next. So email update is there, everything is loaded on put on a Facebook. And then I call all the presidents and tell them that this is the time you can go on a particular day on this stall or with this devotee, so you'll feel inspired. So I make scheduling for senior devotees to go with all the devotees, and they'll be feeling inspired. So one time Radhanath Swami also went on a railway stall, and he spent 2 hours with the devotees doing book distribution. So that inspired devotees. So such kind of little organizing is there. Apart from that, collecting stories, Sunday announcements. Then as the marathon is coming more closer to the end, then the time comes to tell devotees that they have not done enough. So we remind them of the last year's book distribution they have done, and just 1 week is there. Please try your best. One particular book distribution marathon which we had 2 years back, just by hearing regular reports, we have one devotee, very senior devotee in our congregation, Srinathji Prabhu, Dr. N.D. Desai. Many of you may know him also. So it has been a long time he has been not involved in book distribution directly. But he was so inspired, and I just mentioned that last year we did so much, and we are 40,000 books short. Just 1 week is remaining. He felt so inspired, he gave 40,000 rupees, 40,000 books donation, just by that announcement. And then he told that I want these books to go to all Maharashtra's schools and colleges' libraries. So next 6 months I was busy sending all the books to all the libraries, and almost most of the libraries in many districts in Maharashtra have received Prabhupada books. They are on the libraries of schools and colleges. So that's how devotees, even if they are not doing, just by hearing announcements, regular bombardment that we are supposed to do book distribution, they do it. So this is one technique which I found very useful. And then in the end, when the marathon is all over, book distribution is done, then we have, then I take all the presidents, different senior devotees to congregation groups, and we have a get together, and we, generally the preacher goes and he speaks, everyone hears. But here we just sit down and we hear all the congregation devotees speak their stories and their experiences. So that goes for 2-3 hours together, all the stories. And then in the end we give gifts to the devotees who did book distribution. And last year we did one more thing was we collected all the stories and we printed a book. Experiences on the book, with experiences of devotees on book distribution. And then in the month of January, when Radhanath Swami was there, we released that book. We just printed 2 books. We released the book and we told all the devotees that this whole book is available for download on this particular website. You can go and read all the stories of this temple devotees. Generally we get book distribution stories of all over the world. But the devotees were inspired, then they went and they got to read stories of their own temple, of devotees around them. And many devotees were very small timers. They got very encouraged because their names came. So this is the idea of inspiring devotees. And last thing which I want to speak is, personally I was feeling not inspired, that I am not able to myself go out and distribute so many books. So one day I was hearing the lecture of my spiritual master, Radhanath Swami, and he was speaking on book distribution, and he told in the lecture an example of one devotee in Los Angeles temple during Prabhupada's time, whose service was just to organize book distribution. And Maharaj was mentioning in the class that, this devotee was not doing much one-to-one book distribution, but because he was organizing, there was a huge book distribution which was done in Los Angeles. So, of course, Maharaj was giving a regular class, but I felt that this is Maharaj speaking to me, that how organizing is also an important effort, so that devotees feel inspired and they continue book distribution throughout one's life. And last thing is, Kamalochan Prabhu, the temple president of Mira Road, told me, book distribution is only for new devotees. Old devotees never take part in that. So I felt very bad to hear that. But it actually is a fact. In India also we see more devotees become senior, they run away from book distribution. And the maximum devotees who are doing book distribution are the new ones. So I felt that if we organize nicely, inspire devotees, then every devotee will continue for lifetime book distribution, not just only when they are new. Hare Krishna.